welcome back to our channel e-learning tutor. So in this 25th video of Super 5 series, we are going to discuss 5 challenging questions of chapter Binomial Theorem. Yes, this is last and final video of Super 5 series and this series. So I hope you all have got to know something or the other new. Thank you. So let's get started. First have a look of all 5 questions. Well, first question. Find the numerically greatest term or terms of this expansion where x is 1 by 5. Okay, we all know the formula for it, right? What is it? Okay, 1 minute. For this, we have to find the numerically greatest term where x is 1 by 5. Yes, then what is m? Generally, it is for this formula, m will be n plus 1 by 1 plus mod x by y. Yes or no? Same thing applies to this now. What do you get? 15 plus 1 by 1 plus 3 by minus 5x. Yes or no? What do you get? 16 by 1 plus. Of course, we can remove this. I'm taking this negative and it becomes positive. 5 into 1 by 5. 16 by 4. So m is 4. Is m integer or non-integer? It is integer, right? If it is integer, then what will be numerically greatest term? It will be in the range m minus 1 less than or equals to r less than or equals to m. We have our m value. So, write it directly. What do you get? 3 less than or equal to r less than or equals to 4. So, our numerically greatest terms will be T4 and T5. Here no need to find the values of T4 and T5 as the options are in this way itself. So, what is our option? It is E. Yes. Is it? Yes. So, now second question. If the constant term in the binomial expansion of root x minus k by x square is 405, then mod k is equals to how much? Okay, what is general term? Tr plus 1. Okay, what is this? Root x minus k by x square. Okay, for this I'm writing it in the form of general term root x, right? Root x whole power 10 minus r into minus k by x square whole power r. Agree? Now 10 cr minus k power r x power 5 minus 1 by 2 minus 2r. Agree? For this to be a constant term, x power should be 0. So I am equating 5 minus 1 by 2 minus 2r with 0. It is r by 2, I think. Yeah, it is r by 2, right? It is 1 by 2. Here r will be there. So r by 2. Yes. Now what do you get r as? 5 is equals to 5r by 2, which imply r is equals to 2. Yes, r is equals to 2. That's it. Let's do it. Third term will be, it will be right. 10c, r is 2 and this term is remaining now. Because this term is anyhow 0, x power 0 is equals to 1. So into 1, this term will be 0 as it is a constant function. It is mentioned in the question already. So minus k power, what is our value? 2. This will be equals to 405. Implies, what is 10c value? 10c value is 45. 45 into k square is equals to 405. K square will be 9, which imply k is equals to 3. Yes, it is option C. Third question. In the expansion of x plus x power log base 2x whole power 7, fourth term is this much and find the value of r. Okay, if fourth term is this much, then we can take general formula T4 and then we can find this value by substituting, by equating the fourth term with 4480. Are you all getting it? So let's do it. What do we get? tr plus 1 is equals to, okay, I can directly substitute it, right? It is already given. T4 is equals to, if the term is T4, equate it with r plus 1, r will be 3. Yes or no? Yes. T4, 7c3 x power 4 into x power log base 2x whole cube. Yes or no? 4 plus 3 should be 7 again. This is correct. And this will be equals to 4480, it seems. It is mentioned in the question. Yes. What is 7c3 value? What is 7c3 value? This will be equals to, okay, I am equating this. I am writing it directly like this itself. As log property 3 comes here. So what do you get? X power 4 into x power 3 log 2 log base 2x. Yes, this will be 128 value is equals to x power 4 into x cube x power 3 into log 2 log base 2x. Now, what can you write 128 as? In terms of base, like power 4 and 3. How is it possible? 128 can be written as 2 power 7. 7 is 4 plus 3. So, we can write it as 2 power 4 into 2 cube, which is equals to x power 4 into x power 3 log 2x. So, what is our x value by this? Equate these both. What do you get? X is equals to 2. Yes, it is option B. Yes. So, fourth question. Find the value of n plus 1 C2 plus 2 times 2 C2 plus 3 C2 plus up to n C2. Yes. You see here. What is the value of 2 C2? 1. What is the value of 3C3? 1. What is the value of 4C4? 1. So, in question, it is like this, right? I am copying the question now. It is like this, right? Now, what I'll do is, I'll make these terms same. If these to be equal or same, it should be 3C3. 3C3 plus 3C2. What is this value? What is this value? Is it 4C3? Yes, it's a property, right? In the same way, I'll modify the whole entire question with this logic. Okay, see how I'll do it. NC2. Okay, let us write few more terms. What is there? Yes, what will be this value? 3 I told, right? What will be this value? 4C3. Then, what will be this value? 5C3. Then what will be this value? 6C3. If you go on like this term is increasing plus 1. Like plus 1 is being added. So what will, if you come at last, what will be this one? N plus 1 C3. Yes or no? It will be n plus 1 C3. Look here now. I'll write it here. N plus 1 C2 plus 2 times n plus 1 C3. I hope you all got like this. Yes or no? Now, I'll do it this way. N plus 1 C2 plus n plus 1 C3 plus n plus 1 C3. Now, these both are equal. Same property again. What is it? N plus 2 C3 plus n plus 1 C3. That's it. Let's expand it. What was it? N plus 2 C3 plus n plus 1 C3. What can you write it as? N plus 2 factorial by n minus 1 factorial into 6 plus n plus 1 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 6. Now, you take n plus 2 and expand it till you get n minus 1 whole factorial. N plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial into 6. Why 6? 3 factorial is 6. So, I have directly kept it here. N plus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 6. Cancel. Cancel. N plus 2 into n plus 1 into n by 6 plus n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 6. Yes or no? N into n plus 1 by 6 taking common, n plus 2 plus n minus 1. What is the final answer? 2n plus 1 by 6. That's it. Is this the thing? Yes, it is. Yes, got it? Fifth one, the value of minus 15c1 plus 2 into 15c2 minus 3 into 15c3 plus so on up to 15 into 15c15. If you observe this, okay, for our convenience, let us take 1 into. Yes, if you observe this, each and every, like it is, if you consider it as NCR, R into NCR, R into NCR, R into NCR. If you write general term, you'll get one expansion and you can find it via that. This is the same thing, okay. See, okay, if you observe, these all are of same model. These all are of same model. Yes or no? 1 minute. Okay, these all are of same model. If you observe these all are also same model. Yes, all are also same model. Why? We are getting odds here. So just do it. I'm taking it as two sets. Set 1 is 15c1 plus 2. Okay, 1 into 15c1, 2 into 15c2 minus so on up to 15 is odd. So it will be negative 15 into 15c15. Yes or no? If you want to write it a general term, how can you write summation? R is equals to 1 to 15. Yes, R is equals to 1 to 15. We are getting alternative plus and minus. We are getting alternative plus and minus. So minus 1 power R into R power 15. Sorry, R 15 CR. Yes or no? I am writing it again. Summation R is equals to 1 to 15 minus 1 power R into 15 CR. Yes or no? Observe it. You substitute R values from 1 to 15. You will get this expansion again. Yes. Now you solve it. What do you get? I'll take 15 common like this. Minus 1 whole power into R into 14 C R minus 1. If you see, expand this term now. What do you get? 14C0. I'm substituting R values, that's it. Minus 14C2 plus so on up to 15C14. Yes? Yes? Now, what is this value? All these values gets cancelled. Here it is minus. Here it will be plus. These all gets cancelled. Yes or no? So it will be 0. 15 into 0, which is 15. Now set 2. Here we have two parts, right? Here we have two parts. I am taking it as this as set 1, set 2. What will be this value? Set 2. 14C1 plus 14C3 plus 14C5. Is it correct? Yes. Up to 14C11. Yes. Now see carefully. See carefully. Now I am adding and subtracting 14C3. Yes. Any problem? No, right? Now if you see why am I doing like this, I'll tell you. Sorry, this is 0. 15 into 0 is 0, right? I'm sorry. This value will be 2 power n minus 1, which n is 14. So 2 power 13. Getting it? 2 power 13. And what is this value? 14 factorial by 13 factorial into 1 factorial, which is 14 into 13 factorial by 13 factorial. It will be 14. So minus 14. See why I have added and subtracted it. You can put it like this also. But See, in options it is 13. 16 anyhow it is not possible. 14 not possible. So I have added and subtracted. This is the reason. Yes, it is option D. Thank you so much for watching.